If you're considering using FreightOS for your dropshipping business, there are 12 key things you need to know before committing. While FreightOS might seem like a solid choice, it's important to see how it stacks up against other platforms to make the best decision for your needs. First thing, FreightOS offers an extensive marketplace for freight shipping, providing access to a variety of carriers and rates. This might seem like a good option for streamlining international shipments, but compared to other platforms like ShipBob or ShipHero, the user interface can be less intuitive for beginners. Next thing, FreightOS does a good job of showing you real-time rates for different shipping options. However, when compared to competitors, the platform's tracking system is less detailed, meaning you'll often have to dig for updates, which can lead to customer confusion. The third thing you should know is that FreightOS offers a variety of international freight options. This is a major plus if you're managing global suppliers. But if you're primarily dealing with domestic shipments, platforms like EasyShip might offer more specialized solutions. The fourth thing to consider is FreightOS pricing structure. It's relatively straightforward, but can become expensive depending on the volume of shipments you're processing. While FreightOS is affordable for small shipments, larger dropshippers might find better bulk rate deals elsewhere. The fifth thing to highlight is that FreightOS integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. This makes it a convenient option for dropshippers, but its integrations can sometimes feel a bit rigid, especially compared to more flexible platforms like Shipwire. Next thing, FreightOS also provides an API for developers, which can be useful for more advanced users who need custom integration. However, the API documentation isn't always as beginner-friendly as you'd hope, making it harder for some to leverage its full potential. The seventh thing is their customer support. While they do offer help through chat, email, and phone, response times can be slow during peak seasons, which is something you should keep in mind when running a busy dropshipping operation. The eighth thing is FreightOS order management system. It's functional, but not as comprehensive as other platforms. You might find yourself using third-party tools for more advanced tracking or inventory management features. The ninth thing is that FreightOS is a freight forwarding service, so it's best for businesses focused on large volume shipping. For those looking to streamline smaller, day-to-day orders, it might not be the best fit compared to other shipping solutions designed for smaller businesses. The 10th thing you should know is FreightOS offers transparent pricing for freight shipments. However, there can be hidden fees depending on factors like packaging and the final delivery destination, which might catch you off guard if you're not paying close attention. Next, FreightOS supports a wide range of shipping methods, including air, sea, and truck. While this gives you flexibility, it can also lead to decision fatigue, especially if you're a new dropshipper trying to understand the logistics of each option. The 12th thing is that FreightOS provides a quote comparison tool, which can save you time when finding the best rates. However, this feature might not always account for certain customizations or service upgrades, so you'll need to double-check the specifics before booking. While FreightOS offers a solid range of services, it's not perfect for everyone. It's a good option for those dealing with large international shipments, but if you're looking for something that's more beginner-friendly and adaptable to different types of shipping needs, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free.